Les amis, j'ai l'honneur absolu depuis toutes ces années où je vous parle des produits de cette queen, d'avoir Danessa Myricks herself on my YouTube channel. Am I dreaming? Just pinch me just a little bit.
Am I
just
dreaming?
No, I am dreaming.
No, you are the queen of fun, excitement, love, energy.
Thank you.
I'm very grateful
But
to
we
be
are
with
matching.
you. Yes, we are matching.
We have the same energy. I told her that she's a sun, she's a mango for me, she's... I don't know, elle est solaire, elle est incroyable et je suis trop heureuse de l'avoir sur ma chaîne depuis le temps où j'achète ses produits, où je vous dis Danessa, c'est la meilleure, ses palettes, ses perles. Elle est là aujourd'hui, elle est là pour vous. She's here for you and she will answer some questions.
Yes,
And-
anything you want.
Okay, anything?
Anything.
Oh, be careful, be careful. So just have a fun moment and thank you again for being here.
Thank you for
Really,
having
it
me.
means a lot. I mean, when I began my YouTube channel, never I thought that you would be here
Aw.
next to me. So, let's go.
Okay.
On va faire un petit tag un peu à l'ancienne parce que vous m'en avez demandé et c'est vrai que ça fait trop longtemps que j'en ai pas fait. Et vu que Danessa m'accorde un peu de temps ce matin, je me suis dit pourquoi pas faire un tag un peu comme avant. Et donc je vais préparer quelques petites questions. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, question number 1. The first makeup product you ever bought?
Ooh, the first makeup product I ever bought was a blue eyeliner. When I was younger, I had really bad acne and my mom couldn't find like foundation to cover in my skin tone. And so she said after a while, it doesn't matter. We're going to have people focus on your eyes.
Oh, I love the idea.
Yeah, and then blue
C'est
makes
trop
brown
mignon.
eyes pop. And so
Aw.
I was wearing bright blue eyeliner since I was like 12.
It's so sweet. J'adore cette histoire. Okay, I love it. The first technique you taught someone else. The
Oh, the
technique
first
that
technique
you...
I taught someone
Yeah.
else? Ooh, in makeup?
Mhm.
I would say contouring.
Okay.
Yeah. I love to like create shape and dimension to
Mhm.
the face. And for me, that was the magic to like me really loving the work that I did. And it was the most transformative for the people who learn it,
Mhm.
knowing how to shape their face. And
Uh-huh.
so I even wrote a book about it. Like,
Okay.
yeah,
I didn't
I'm
know that.
obsessed
I
with
will-
shaping the face and all the features. So contouring.
Contouring. Okay. Okay. The first advice you wish you had received.
Ooh. I wish that people told me that I was enough just the way I am. I spent so much of my life just like trying to be more, to be like, you know, other people who maybe are successful or more loved or more celebrated. And eventually I just realized like the real joy and the real win is when I just accept me for who I am and just fall in love with that.
Oh,
And so
you're unique.
Thank
And
you.
nobody is like you. It's so difficult every day to compare yourself. Like you're
Yeah.
never enough. It's not good enough.
Yeah.
So I truly understand and it's beautiful.
thank you.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
The first moment you knew makeup was your thing.
Ooh. I think when I did my very first bride,
Mm-hmm.
when you see someone's emotion change, you see someone feel the joy in their heart, they look at themselves and they have a different feeling about who they are or who they can be, or they see themselves differently. It's like you can't erase that from your mind or from your heart. So
Aw.
I think the very first bride.
You bring joy. You bring
Yeah.
joy to the bride.
Yeah, so I
It's
think that's it.
beautiful. The very first product you created.
Oh. So the very first products that I created
Elle
were
faisait de la cuisine hein, à l'époque. Elle faisait ses produits chez elle. Keep going.
these are products that I created in my basement. I love color and texture, and when I first started 27 years ago, there wasn't a lot of like bold pigments or dimensional looks, and that was what I craved, like how you love.
Yeah,
and so
it was like this 10 years ago, so I imagine 20 years ago.
Yeah. So I would make my little recipes in little kits, and I would sell that. They were called Bionic Eyes and Bionic Lips.
I love the name.
They were dynamic and they lasted all day.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Elle faisait ses produits chez elle et elle les vendait. C'est pas fou. Et elle a commencé vraiment tout ça à l'époque sans être payée. Elle s'est mise dedans du jour au lendemain parce qu'elle a été licenciée de son premier job et elle avait 2 enfants et elle devait trouver une solution et incroyable. You're so inspiring. Really.
Thank you.
Really. And you deserve everything.
Thank you.
Really.
Thank you. I love you.
The product you're most proud of. I know it's difficult.
Ooh, it's very hard because I love them all for different reasons.
Mm-hmm.
But I think the product that I'm most proud of today, when you ask me, is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder.
Okay.
Because it didn't exist in the world at all. Nothing like it ever existed. We were the first to use these ingredients in this particular way. The format of it, what it does, it just didn't exist.
And
so
the little part here,
yes.
genius, really. Combien de fois vous avez perdu le petit truc? Elle a fait en sorte qu'on puisse le mettre ici.
And it's globally loved, like to have a product that no matter the skin type, the age, the style of makeup, everybody can use it and everybody universally loves it. So it's very special. We did amazing things with science, but also the experience for the people who use it was unique and special. So
wow.
Yeah.
How many times how does it take to do this?
Wow, like 2 years, many versions.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
C'est un super bon produit en fait, c'est le produit un peu base qui va hydrater et réguler ton sébum toute la journée et flouter tes bords, que tu peux utiliser seul en dessous de make-up, par-dessus le make-up. C'est vraiment son produit le plus versatile et complet et qui va à tout le monde et c'est pour ça qu'elle en est fière et il est incroyable si vous avez l'occasion. Et il existe en version teintée si jamais vous voulez un produit à tout faire qui va aussi corriger et unifier votre teint. Ça fait tout et c'est exceptionnel, peu importe votre type de peau. No matter the skin type,
yeah.
The product that took the longest to develop.
Maybe the spray.
Okay,
The
I
longest.
understand why.
Because it's very unique and being able to get the effect of powder with a spray that looks natural but still good for your skin with great skincare. There's so many things that you don't think about, or like this nozzle, and it's such a delicate balance between the formula and the packaging and the experience. It's very,
I
very
can
detailed.
understand.
Yeah.
Je vous l'ai déjà dit, mais ça c'est vraiment si vous avez un produit chez Danessa que vous devez essayer et qui fait vraiment la différence par rapport aux autres sprays sur le marché, c'est vraiment celui-ci. C'est-à-dire que ça va fixer votre maquillage comme si vous aviez mis de la poudre, mais sans l'effet poudre. Mais ça va flouter les pores comme si vous aviez mis une poudre floutante. Et ça va quand même te laisser cette lumière un peu d'hydratation. C'est de la magie. Et j'en ai testé plein, vous le savez, parce que vous avez vu la première fois quand j'ai fait ma revue. Je crois que je l'avais acheté au Canada. Exceptionnel. J'en ai racheté 4 bouteilles. Vraiment. Voilà. I understand why. Really.
Thank you.
The most versatile products in your range.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah.
Everything,
product.
yeah. Everything is designed to be super versatile.
Mm-hmm.
I think the two that are most versatile that everybody knows is Color Fix, for sure.
Of course.
Because you can use it on eyes, lips, cheeks. You could put it into your foundation, make it into a concealer. It literally does everything. And I would
on the
say,
lips too?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
And I would say Balm Powder, those two products, because Balm Powder can be your foundation, your primer, it could be your powder, it could be your coverage, it could be your bronzer, it can contour,
nice.
It can do so many things, yeah.
Okay. Even the blush.
Yeah,
in the eyes.
exactly.
I put it. J'ai mis son blush là sur ma bouche et sur les joues. Every product. I mean, you are a makeup artist, so it seems logical for me when you launch a brand that you have this way of thinking.
Yeah.
To
sure.
have a product for everything.
And I love it
it's
when
efficient for everyone.
Yeah, because when you buy something, I think about myself as a consumer. When you put your hard-earned money to buy something, I want it to really do the most.
Yeah.
I want you to get the most use out of it. So that really makes me happy. Yeah.
And you have children, so
Yes.
you know that time is
Oh yeah.
Really important.
Yes.
So,
Absolutely.
the shade or product you customers love most.
Oh, I would say bomb powder.
Bomb powder.
Yeah,
Again.
it's like
okay.
most viral, most
Product.
widely loved.
Really?
Yeah.
Even more than eyeshadow palettes?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Because I think in France, vous me direz dans les coms, en France, nous c'est palettes. I think in France, this is
The palette is
the
the
palettes.
thing.
Yeah, the pearls, even the sticks, the new sticks.
Oh, I love the sticks so much.
Yeah, I think in France, it's your pearls.
You know what I think? I think like the shadows and the palettes. Not everybody wants it's every day.
Yes.
But like the bomb powder, every day of your
Yes,
life.
and everyone.
And so I think that's the difference.
Yeah. It's for, in French we say, c'est aussi pour Madame tout le monde. It's for Madame everyone.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Madame tout le monde. Yes.
Madame tout le monde.
The product you personally use every day.
Bomb powder and color fix every day.
Okay.
Every day.
Okay.
Yes. Today I'm doing color fix sticks, and my whole face is bomb powder.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
everything. Yeah.
bomb powder
Yeah.
every day.
Every day.
The product that always surprises people when they try it.
Ooh. Bomb powder. But you know, also there's a product that I think is even beating bomb powder with the surprise.
Mhm.
Are you familiar with water powder serum?
No.
Oh.
The yes.
Yeah,
I love
this
it.
one, like, here.
Yes, je vous en avais parlé, but I told them about it, but
Yeah.
it was all out of stock when I told them.
It's amazing. It's like water. Literally, it's like water. When you could take it a drop at a time. It's like water, but these few drops smooth your skin incredibly. They keep your skin from producing oil. It's completely invisible, and like it makes your makeup wear longer. It's like men love it, women love it,
Vraiment.
and it's just surprising how so little does so much.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
I told them. Je sais pas si vous vous souvenez, je vous en avais parlé. Je sais plus de quel voyage je l'avais acheté encore une fois. Je vous avais dit, c'est une texture hyper fine, mais qui va comme poudrer et réguler un peu le sébum et faire tenir le maquillage longtemps. Mais ça a été en rupture, ça avait cartonné ce produit-là. Donc, ok. But you have unique products.
Thank you.
I'm repeating myself, but
I love to hear it.
you have to rehear it because now we have so many brands and products.
Yeah.
And you have to propose something different, and I think it's so hard.
It's very hard.
Yeah.
It's also a fun challenge.
Yes, yeah. But congratulations,
Thank
because no one did that. No? If you can only keep one for life, which one would it be?
Oh my gosh.
Bomb powder.
I think so.
Yeah?
I think bomb powder, yes.
Okay, so we will say bomb powder for all the questions, and we're done. So, I have one.
Okay.
Really spicy.
Okay.
And I want you to be honest with me.
Okay, I promise.
With us.
Okay.
If you could steal a competitor's product to become a Danessa Myricks product, which would it be?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love this one.
Okay, let me think for a second.
Think about it.
This is a
Hard,
tricky one. This is a
yeah.
hard one.
But it's fun.
I think I would pick skincare.
Mm-hmm.
And I would do Dr. Dennis Gross, the pads.
Okay.
The day and night.
They are two?
Yeah, the
one
two together.
And the two?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
I love it.
Yes, I would pick
It's
that.
really good for exfoliating. C'est des petites lingettes, en fait, tu utilises une puis l'autre et ça va exfolier ta peau. I love it.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, and actually I just discovered this.
Ooh, which is this one?
The gloss. So,
Keep me posted. Let me know.
I will let you know.
Yes.
okay, Dr. Dennis Gross. I love it. And last one, share a secret about a next lunch.
Wow.
Un indice.
This is so tricky. Okay, well. I'll tell you. You know, there's
Or
one.
un indice. Comment on dit un indice? A sneak peek.
A sneak peek.
A little something.
Well, I love skincare and I love making products that perform on every area of the face, and there's one area of the face I haven't really created specifically for.
I have an idea.
It's coming. It's coming.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Est-ce que vous avez deviné? Franchement, quand vous pensez à Danessa Myricks, qu'est-ce qui manque? Qu'est-ce qui manque là? Qu'est-ce qui manque? Okay, we will be there for it.
I'll give it to you first.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy and I can't wait, really. Because we love everything else, but
I mean, I didn't say.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Danessa.
you. I adore you.
Thank you.
This
It
was
was
amazing.
really fun moments.
So
and
much fun.
I know that you are so busy, so thank you for giving me some time.
This was the best thing I could have ever
my
done.
Subscribers, and
First of all, the way that you talk about your community, I really wanted to just be a part of it.
thank you.
She loves you
I
so
really
much.
love them. It's like a
really.
second family.
It's-
We grew together. We are getting old together.
I love it. Well, I want to get old with you guys too.
yeah,
So
let's do it.
I feel a part of the family now. So thank you.
No, thank you. Thank
This
you
was
so
awesome.
much,
Thank
Danessa.
you.
And keep making beautiful products.
Thank you.
To bring joy in our lives.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. À bientôt. Ciao.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.